Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we're going to be checking out the top 5 best curved monitors in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the price and more information about these monitors, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Also, if you could win one of these curved monitors, which one would it be? Leave your reply in the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Omen X by HP. The Omen X is made by HP and it's one of their first ultra-wide gaming monitors to feature the NVIDIA's G-Sync technology. From a design perspective, this monitor has dark colored appearance accompanied by narrow bezels which make this 35-inch ultra-wide monitor look even bigger. The X35 is compatible with VESA mount, its height can be adjusted by 130mm and it is tiltable from -5 to 23 degrees. On the back of the monitor you can see a good looking diamond texture that is framed by triangular lines which point inward. The screen of this monitor features 3H matte anti-glare coating, which means that it will reduce any reflection and will improve your visual experience. But now, let's talk about the connectivities. The Omen X35 has one display 1.2 port for the G-Sync feature, one HDMI 1.4 port, 3 USB 3.0 ports for an easy connection with your peripherals, and an upstream USB port which was meant to connect to your PC and make other USB ports function properly. Now let's talk about the performance and its features. This 35-inch curved monitor delivers the ultra-wide QHD 21:9 resolution and offers 34% more resolution than a 16:9 QHD display according to HP. Moreover, its 1800R curvature allows you to fully experience the 5 million pixels that will make your overall visual experience more enjoyable. This model also has interesting modes such as the night, movie, photo, custom RGB, low blue light, as well as many game-oriented modes such as the FPS, RTS and racing modes. Furthermore, it features a dark boost mode which will increase the visibility in darker scenes. Thanks to the NVIDIA G-Sync technology that will link your graphics card to the display, you will receive stutter-free visuals accompanied by 100Hz refresh rate at lower resolutions. The response time of this monitor is 4 milliseconds. The dynamic contrast ratio is 10 million to 1 and it covers almost 100% of the sRGB spectrum, which is insane. You can also have options to enable or disable the adaptive contrast, adjust the luminance, the color, temperature and more. But one of the coolest things about this monitor is the LED light that is placed beneath the bottom bezel. You can adjust the LED light through the OSD in order to turn it on and off, and this is really good because it adds a lot to your ambient. If you love to play games, then this monitor will elevate your gaming experience to a whole new level. Thanks to its resolution of 3440 by 1440, you will have a jaw-dropping visual representation, deeper blacks and outstandingly rich colors. Next up, at number 4 we have the LG 34UC88B. This 34-inch ultra-wide monitor is made by LG and is perfect for gaming and multitasking thanks to its capabilities and its IPS panel with 10-bit color support. From a design perspective, the 34UC88 features a huge 34-inch display with a 1800R curvature that will let you fully immerse yourself into the content shown on the screen regardless if you're playing a game, working or watching movies. This monitor features a glossy black cabinet accompanied by thin bezels and matte screen surface that has anti-glare coating. This means that it will reduce any reflections and you can see everything without any discomfort. Moreover, it has an ultra-wide QHD screen resolution of 3440 by 1440 pixels with a pixel density of 109 pixels per inch, which delivers details to their maximum ability. This monitor's IPS panel covers 99% of the sRGB color gamut and maximizes the details of anything that is shown on the screen. This model is compatible with VESA mount and you can adjust its height by 120mm and can tilt it from -5 to 20 degrees. But now, let's talk about the connectivities. The 34UC88 has two HDMI 2.0 ports, a DisplayPort 1.2, two downstream USB 3.0 ports, of which one is for quick charging, an audio line out for the headphones and an audio line in for the built-in max audio speakers. From a performance and feature perspective, this ultra-wide monitor uses the FreeSync technology for eliminating the tearings and stutterings during your gameplay, so you can play comfortably and enjoy your gaming sessions. The Screen Split 2.0 technology will let you resize or display multiple windows at once, and you can take advantage of the 14 options including the 4 different picture-in-picture choices. There are also picture modes such as the reader mode that will ensure maximum comfort while you're reading and it will ensure that you won't feel any pain on your eyes, but there are even more such as the photo, cinema, darkroom and color weakness, so you can choose the one that matches your preferences. The colors produced by this monitor are very consistent, accurate and they maintain their quality even if you look at your monitor from different angles. This is due to the well-crafted 178-degree viewing angles that will deliver an amazing visual experience. To conclude, this is a really good ultra-wide monitor that is equally ideal for those who want to play games and for those who want to use this monitor for working. It's definitely a good monitor that justifies its price tag. Moving on, at number 3 we have the AOC Agon AG352UCG. This 35-inch curved monitor is manufactured by AOC and equipped with quality design and features, but it's also capable of delivering a really good visual representation, which adds a lot to your overall gaming experience. From a design perspective, this curved 35-inch monitor comes in a silver and black color scheme, and at the bottom of the bottom bezel there are LED strips which can be illuminated in green, red or blue colors. In addition, the brightness of these LEDs can be changed using the on-screen menu, and if you don't like them, you can just turn them off completely. It has a tripod-shaped stand that is made of a powder-coated metal, and it will sit stable and provide a solid base for the screen. The stand is fully adjustable and you can adjust the screen's position to match your chair position, but also you can adjust the height and the viewing line. At the middle of the bottom bezel, you can see the red Agon logo, which identifies this monitor as the member of the AOC Agon's range of gaming monitors. The screen surface of this monitor has a light matte anti-glare coating, while the screen itself is built with a 2000R curved MVA panel, so you can view comfortably, clearly and without any distractions. Despite its size, this monitor can be tilted from -5.5 to 29 degrees or swiveled from -30 to 30 degrees, which makes it very adjustable and flexible. Plus, if you want to use your own choice of stand, this monitor can be mounted on a 100 by 100 mm VESA mount. But now, let's talk about the connectivities. This model features one HDMI 1.4 port, one display port, two USB 3.0 ports, of which you can use the one for fast charging, one line-in and earphone out port, and two speakers of 2 watts. From a performance and feature perspective, this monitor features the NVIDIA's G-Sync technology that will synchronize the display's refresh rate to the GPU in your GeForce powered PC and will eliminate the screen tearings. Also, it will minimize any display stuttering and input lag as much as possible in order to provide a brilliant and fluid gaming experience. Moreover, gamers can take advantage of the AOC shadow control for increasing the visibility in dark areas on the screen. This model has 3 levels for adjusting the dark portions, so you can set the one that matches your style. To conclude, this is one of the best curved monitors in the market, which will increase your productivity for working but also your gaming experience thanks to its performance. Acer Predator X34 is the first curved G-Sync monitor in the world that performs outstandingly, especially when it comes to gaming. From a design perspective, the X34 features a bezel-free design with an IPS panel that is wrapped in a metal frame for protection. On the front of the display, you can see the Predator logo, which is not that bright and it won't affect the overall aesthetics. The display has a glossy black finish. It features an anti-glare coating, while the base is stable and made of heavy-duty metal. But it also has an eco mode for reducing the power consumption to 36 watts. In addition, the back has a strong dynamic angles with an ergonomic tilt with which you can adjust the height based on your desire. There are also LED lights on the bottom that will illuminate your peripherals, but even though they are not that strong, they look great during the nights while your lights are turned off. Now let's talk about the connectivities. There are 4 downstream USB 3.0 ports, 1 upstream 3.0 port, 1 DisplayPort 1.2, 1 3.5mm audio out and 2 built-in 7W DTS sound speakers. You can use the ports for connecting your keyboard, mouse or any other peripheral, and you can also charge your smartphone really fast. From a performance and feature perspective, the Acer Predator X34 features a curvature radius of about 3800 R, which means that if you put a few more Predators in an edge-to-edge position, they will create a circle and the radius would be 3800 mm. Moreover, the 34-inch curved IPS display is accompanied by the ultra-wide QHD technology that produces 3440 by 1440 resolution, which can entertain you from every corner and you will not miss any spot. Your experience, regardless if it is for gaming or work related, will be elevated to a whole new level. This monitor is perfect when it comes to the image presentation. It can cover up to 100% of the sRGB color gamut, and there are 6-axis color adjustments for ensuring that everything will be presented clearly. But that's not all. If you combine the response time of 4 milliseconds, the refresh rate of 60Hz that can be overclocked to 100Hz, and you can tilt the display 5 degrees forward, 35 degrees back, raise it or lower it about 5 inches, you get an out of this world gaming experience. If you're not yet convinced, you can also take advantage of the G-Sync, which will eliminate screen tearing or stutter during your gameplay. All you have to do is just sync the monitor directly to the PC's graphics card and you're good to go. Overall, this is one of the best monitors on the market that performs outstandingly and you will love it from the first moment you turn it on. This company wants to surprise the whole industry by presenting the ROG Swift PG348Q ultra-wide monitor that is worthy of having. From a design perspective, it features a 34-inch curved ultra-wide IPS panel that can deliver a resolution of up to 3440 by 1440. Moreover, it features an anti-glare display that is extremely strong, and even if you press hard on it, the picture will not distort. The base can emit a light that can be adjusted with the 3 brightness settings in the on-screen display. and there are the long legs made out of aluminum with classy textured finish. You can also adjust the height and tilt the panel based on your preferences. Now let's talk about the connectivities. There are two built-in speakers, one control joystick, one DisplayPort 1.2, an HDMI 1.4 port and 4 USB 3.0 ports, which is enough to connect your monitor with many of your peripherals. From a performance and feature perspective, this model has turbo key, which means that you can toggle between many refresh rates, and NVIDIA G-Sync display technology that would help in eliminating any screen tearing or display stutters. The monitor's panel curvature will produce vibrant and realistic images thanks to the 100% sRGB coverage accompanied by the 1000:1 contrast ratio and the 10-bit color reproduction from the IPS panel. Moreover, the 21:9 aspect ratio will give you 35% more on-screen space if you compare it with those monitors that have WQHD technology. But that's not all. This ultra-wide monitor has a QHD technology with a pixel density up to 109 pixels per inch for delivering detailed visual presentations. If you're a gamer, you'll be amazed at how good this monitor is. It features an exclusive Game Plus technology that offers you an on-screen display with 4 different crosshair types, timer, FPS counter, and display alignment functions. Overall, this is one of the best ultra-wide monitors on the market that is capable of producing sharp visuals and great gaming experience. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about these curved monitors, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.